Lose weight fast without exercise is what everyone wants. So if you are one of those who wants to lose weight without exercise, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you some of the best tips to lose weight fast without exercise. Here we discuss some of the ways that are more effective than others and also learn about some popular diet myths if you want to lose weight fast. So let's get started. Go for a walk. Try to walk for 20 minutes every day as part of a healthy lifestyle. It may not seem like much, but it is simple to include in your everyday routine. It's an excellent way to stay healthy, enhance your physical and mental health, and increase your energy levels. Consume more water. You may find yourself consuming additional calories when all you need is a glass of water. Drinking water 30 minutes before a meal can help with weight loss by lowering calorie intake. According to new research, individuals who drink water 30 minutes before their meals lost 44% more weight than those who do not. Eating plenty of fiber. Unlike sugar and starch, dietary fiber refers to plant-based carbohydrates that cannot be digested in the small intestine. Including sufficient fiber in your diet might boost your sensation of fullness, perhaps contributing to weight loss. Eat apples. Apples are a significant source of fiber and are very filling. They are also great for digestion and cleansing, and they are also a substantial energy source, perhaps contributing to weight loss. Chew slowly and thoroughly. A study by several researchers found that people who eat quickly are more likely to gain weight than people who eat slowly. It is because chewing food completely leads to slower eating. As a result, it causes greater fullness and reduces portion size. Increase protein intake. According to a new study, consuming protein can help reduce hunger and boost feelings of fullness. It helps in calorie reduction and is a practical method for losing weight quickly. Fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, and almonds are examples of protein-rich foods. Use a smaller plate. Smaller plates might help you eat smaller portions. You may be able to gradually get used to eating smaller quantities by utilizing smaller dishes and bowls. It takes approximately 20 minutes for the stomach to signal the brain that it is full, so consume slowly and quit consuming before you feel full. Eat plenty of fruit and veg. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and fat and high in fiber. They are also high in vitamins and minerals. Sleep well. Good sleeping habits can help you lose weight significantly. Poor sleep is linked to hormones such as leptin and ghrelin. These hormones boost the appetite for unhealthy meals and lead to weight gain. Sleep also helps in the prevention of chronic diseases such as diabetes. Plan your meals. Plan your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for the week, keeping in mind your calorie allowance. Preparing a weekly grocery list may be beneficial. So these are some of the great ways to lose weight fast. I hope you enjoyed this video. So keep watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.